A fifth set of buses carrying migrants from Texas arrived in Los Angeles on Saturday morning. The newest buses arrived in downtown Los Angeles around 11:30 a.m. Saturday, according to Mayor Karen Bass' office. On board were approximately 48 migrants including 18 minors. The city has continued to work with city departments, the county, and a coalition of non-profit organizations, in addition to our faith partners, to execute a plan set in place earlier this year, Bass' office said. As we have before, when we became aware of the bus yesterday, we activated our plan. After the two buses arrived at Union Station Saturday morning, the migrants were taken to Cathedral High School. Migrants from Texas arrived in Los Angeles by bus for the first time back in June, then again over the 4th of July holiday weekend, and this newest bus will be the third in the last 10 days. The migrants were bussed in from the Texas-Mexico border, and Texas Governor Greg Abbott has claimed credit for it, citing La as a sanctuary city.